Hello children, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is Mathematics, and this online lecture is for the class 2. So students, let's start the lecture with the quote. So here is the quote. The expert in anything was once a beginner. So this is the quote and just keep this in your mind. So let's start today's online lecture with the chapter number 4, and the name of this chapter is numbers up to 1000. So students, first of all, let's revise the previous topic. So you will be remember this, and there will be, if any doubt is there, so it will be a clear. So let's start this today's lecture. So the topic which is the previous is form the number following. Let's see the recap of this topic first, and then we will start the today's topic. So in this topic, form the number following. What is in this topic? So in this topic, the place value is already given to you. I repeat, in this topic, the place value is already given to you. You can see here is the place value. So you can see here the 4 number have 20. So it indicates the place value 400 is at the number hundreds place. So 4 will come at the hundreds place. Here you can see the 5 have a 10. So the place value of 50 is a tens. So we can put a 5 number at the tens place, and you can see 7 have no any 0, so 7 will come at the ones place. So the number will 457. You can see this, as I told you, number 4 will come at the hundreds place, number 5 will come at the tens place, and number 7 will come at the ones place. So this is the number which we form 457. Let's see another example. Here is one more example for you. 700. You can see now this 700 have 20. So we put this 7 number at the hundreds place. 8 have 10. So we put this 8 number at the tens place, and 2 is alone, there is no any 0. So we put this 2 at the ones place. So this number is 782. You can see this 782. This way we have to form the numbers. Let's see some more examples, students, so you will be better understood this topic. 800. So from this 800, number 8 will go at the hundreds place, 0 will go at the tens place, and number 5 will go at the ones place. So this number 805 we form here. Let's see here one more example here. 300. You can see there are 2 zeros are there. So we put this 3 at the hundreds place. 60. There are only 1 0 with 6. So we put a 6 number at the tens place, and this 8 number which is there is no 0 with it. So we put this 8 number at the ones place. So this number we can form as 368. You can see we just take first digit of these numbers. Here is 3, 6 and 8. Here you can see 3, 6 and 8. So this way we have to form the numbers. Here is your textbook exercise, students. 300, so we put 3 here. 5050, so we put 5 at the tens place, and we put 7 at the ones place. So here is the number 357. Let's see number B here. In the number B, 700. So 700 have 2 zeros. So we put 7 at the hundreds place, 0 at the tens place, and 8 at the ones place. So here is our number 708. Let's see number C. We put 900. So from this 900, we put 9 number at the hundreds place. 5050. So we put 5 number at the tens place and 0 at the ones place. So our number is 950. This way we have to complete this exercise. Here is one more. From the 400 we put 4 number here at the hundreds place. From 10 we put 1 at the tens place, and at the ones place we write number 3. So here is our number which is 413. Let's see number E, 601. So students, we take 6 number at the hundreds place, 0 at the tens place, and 1 at the ones place. This way we have to form the number. Hope you understood this. Now let's see the before number. This topic is also a previous topic, students, and this is very easy. Before number, so before 156 the number 155 will come. Before 278 the number 277 will come. Before 335 the number 334 will come. Before 200 the number 199 will come. Let's see number 5 here. You can see 311. So before it the number 310 will come. Here is 519. So before it 518 number will come. Here is number 7. So before 752 the number 751 will come. The number 8, 976. So before it the number 975 will come. Here you can see this. The next topic, this topic is also a previous topic, that after numbers. Let's see the after numbers. Here is the 156. So students, after 156 the number 157 will come. Number 2, 278. So after 278 the number 279 will come. Number 3, 335. So after this the number 336 will come. Number 200. So after 200 the number 201 will come. Number 5, 311. So after 311 the number 312 will come. Number 6, 519. So after 519 the number 520 will come. Number 7, 752. So after this the number 753 will come. Number 8, 976. So after this number the number 977 will come. You can see here. So this way we have to write down this exercise, and this all are examples for you. Now hope there is no doubt in this topic. Let's see the next, which is the between number, and this topic is also a previous topic, students. Let's discuss this topic also. Let's see the short recap of it. Here number 1. So here we can use both the numbers, after numbers and before numbers. See how? So we can write the before number of 457, and we can write the after number 455. After it the number will come, which 456. So after 455 the number 456 will come, and 457 before this number will come. So this way you can use the both the number system. Let's see number 2. So 543, after the number 544 will come. Number 3, 633. So after this number 634 number will come. Let's see number 4, 869. So after 869 the number 870 will come. Number 5, 922. So after 922 the number 923 will come. Let's see the textbook exercise of this topic, students. Let's see the short recap of it first. So before 659 the number 658 will come. 213. So 212 will come before it. 444. So 443 number will come. 910. So before 909 number will come. 510. So before 510 the number 509 will come. Here 550. So the number 549 will come. 762. So before 761 will come. 999. So before the 998 number will come. 858. So before 857 number will come. 399. So before the number 398 will come. The after number exercise. After 453 the number 454 will come. 689. After the 690 number will come. 750. So after this number 750 will come. 300. So after 300 the number 301 will come. 499. So after this number the number 500 will come. 206. So after 206 the number 207 will come. 495. So after the number 496 will come. 787. So after the number 788 will come. 999. So after the number 4 digit income which is 1000. Here 990. So after the number 920 will come. Here is the between number exercise. After 305 and before 307 the number 306 will come. 838. So after it 839 number will come. 315. So after the number 316 will come. 436. So after the number 437 will come. 200. So after 200 the number 201 will come. 510. After 510 the number 511 will come. 620. So after this the 621 number will come. 799. So after this the number 800 will come. Here number 327. So after 327 the number 328 will come. And the last one 449. So after this the number 450 will come. So here is our today's topic, which is find the number that is less than and more than. Here we are using the hundreds grids in the previous lecture in the subtraction, that how we minus 10 number, 20 number, 30 number, 100 numbers. This way we have just going to see the topic which is less than and more than. In this topic what we are going to learn? Let's see students. So in this topic we are going to learn more than 10. The given digit we have to add 10 number into that particular digit. It means plus 10. We have to add the number plus 10. How? Let's see students. So here is some examples for you. See here number 1 345. So we have to just add 10 numbers into this number. So as I told you before that here is the 10 number. So we just change in the tens place, no in this any other place. We just add one number. I repeat, we add one number, this one number into this one number which is at the tens place. So in this one number we add in this 4 number. In every digit we just add one number into the tens place. I repeat, whenever we add to 10 numbers we have to add one number in the tens place. Let's see how. See here is the 345 plus 10. So we have to add one number into this 4. So students, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So which number will come after adding 10 number to this? So the number 355 will come. You can see this. We add one number into this 4. So here is the number 5, and hundreds value and ones value we have to put as it is. Here is 3 at the hundreds place, and at the ones place is number 5. You can see the number 5 is as it is at the ones place, and we just add one number into this tens place. So here is the 4 number. We add this one number to it, and it will be a 5. Let's see number 2. Here students, we have to add one number into this 3. So the number 743 will come. You can see here hundreds value and ones value will stay as it is, but the change will come in the tens place, which is 3 here. We add this one number into this 3. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the number 743 will come. Here you can see this 658. So here the hundreds value and the ones value will stay as it is. We just add one number into this 5. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 at the tens place. So we get the number 668. Let's see number 4. Here is 425. So we just make changes in this tens place. 4 and 5 will stay as it is. So 2 plus 1 is equal to how many? 3. So the number 435 will come. And also you can see this, I'll show you one shortcut trick. 45 plus 10 is equal to 55. This 3 number will stay as it is. Just add 10 number into this 45. So the number 55 will come. In this number 2, just add 10 number in this 33, last 2 digits. So 7 will stay as it is, and 33 plus 10 is equal to 43. Here 58 plus 10 is equal to 68. So the number 6 will stay as it is. 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. This way you have to add the numbers. Now the next topic is less than 10. It means we have to cut the number, take away the number. It means minus 10. We have to take away the 10 numbers from the given digits. How? Let's see. Here is the examples for you. So students, as I told you, in the before example, we had seen that we add 10 number in the tens place, but now we just take away 10 numbers from the last 2 digits. So here the ones value and the hundreds value will stay as it is. Now we cut one number from the tens place. I repeat, the hundreds value and the ones value will stay as it is, and we cut one number from the tens value. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So the number 335 we get as an answer. Let's see one more. 733. So here hundreds value and ones value will stay as it is. We just cut one number from this 3. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we get this number 723. Here is 658. So we just cut one number from this 5 because tens is the middle one. 5 number is at the tens value. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So we get the digit 648. Here is the digit we get as an answer. Hope you understood this. 425. Now we cut just one number from this 2. So the number will come 415. You can see hundreds value and ones value will stay as it is in the answer. The changes will come is only in the tens value. So let's see one more example, students. Now the next topic is, let's see some example of it. So here is the example. You can see this is the number. We have to just do 10 more and 10 less is equal to, here 10 more it means plus 10 we have to add 10 numbers and 10 less is equal to, we have to cut 10 numbers from this number. So first 123. So if we add 10 numbers in this 123, so we have to add one number into this 2 number. So the answer will come 133. We just add one number into this 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this way we have to complete this exercise. Let's see one more. So here we cut 10 number from this. It means we just cut one number from this 2. So this number 113 will come. 947, this is our next example. So here we first add one number to this 4. So the number 957 will come. You can see here. Now we cut just one number from this 4. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here you can see 937. Which number will come? 937. Here is one more example for you. 667. So we just add one number first. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the number 677 will come. Now we cut one number from this 6. So number 657 will come. You can see here. Now the next is 325. So we just add one number into this 2. So the number 335 will come. Now we just cut one number from this 2. So the number 315 will come. You can see here. Here is 578. So students, we just add one number into this 7. So the number 588 will come. Now let's cut one number from the 7. So the number 568 will come. You can see here 324. So we just add one number into this 2. So the number 334 will come. Now we cut one number from this 2. So the number 314 will come. The last one 896. So we cut one number from this 9. So the number, which number will come? Sorry, we have to add one number into this. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So the number 906 will come. Now we cut one number from this 9. So the number 886 will come. So this way we have to complete this worksheet, and this is the examples for you. So you will be better understood through this example, students. Let's see the more than 100. Now we have to add 100 number, and it means plus 100. So the changes will come in the hundreds place. Let's see how. Here is 645. So let's do changes. Let's add one number into the hundreds place. I repeat, we add one number into the hundreds place. So the number 745 will come. Here the tens value and the ones value will stay as it is. You can see here 45 will stay as it is. We just add one number in the hundreds value. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now here 233. So this 33 will stay as it is. We just add one number into this 2. So the number 333 will come. Here the number 558. So the number 58 will stay as it is, and we'll add one number into this 5 number. So the answer 658 will come. Number 4, 425. So we add one number into this 4. So the answer 525 will come. Hope this is very easy, students, and you understood this. Here is less than 100. It means we have to cut one number from the hundreds place. We have to cut 100 numbers from the given numbers. Let's see through the examples that how we do this. Here is the example. So as I told you, this last two digit, which is the tens and ones, will stay as it is and we cut one number from this 6 number. It means 6 minus 1. So the answer 545 will come. Number 2, 733. So here the number 33 will stay as it is. We cut one number from this 7. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. The number 633 we get as an answer. Number 3, 658. So we cut one number from this 6. I repeat, we cut one number from this 6. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So the number 558 will come. Number 4, 425. So we cut one number from this 4. So the answer 325 will come. Here let's see the examples of these students. Here is the example 123. So first we add one number at the hundreds place. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the number 223 will come. Now we cut one number from the hundreds place. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So the number 23 will come. Next one, 947. So we add number 1 at the hundreds place. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So the number 1047 will come. Now we cut one number from the hundreds place. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So the number 847 will come. Now here is the hundreds place. So first we cut one number from it. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So the number 567 will come. Now we add one number to this 6. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the number 767 will come. Here first we cut one number from the hundreds place. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the number 225 will come. Here let's add one number to the hundreds place. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the number 425 will come. Here let's add one number to the 5. So the number 678 will come. Now we cut one number from this 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the answer 478 will come. 324. We add one number to this 3. So the answer 424 will come. Now let's cut one number from the 3. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the number 224 will come. Last example 896. So we add one number to the 8. So the answer 996 will come. Now let's cut one number from this 8. So the answer 796 will come. Here is the exercise of your textbook, students. Here we have to add 10 numbers and here we have to cut 10 numbers. From this number we have to add 10 numbers and from these numbers we have to cut 10 numbers. Let's see the exercise. 474 plus 10 is equal to 484. 708 plus 10 is equal to 718. 246 plus 10 is equal to 256. 58 plus 10 is equal to 68. 882 plus 10 is equal to 892. 600 plus 10 is equal to 610. Here we add the 10 numbers. Now here let's cut the 10 number. Let's take away the 10 numbers. Here 511 minus 10. So the number 501 will come. 999. So we cut one number from this 9. So the number 989 will come. 128. We cut one number from this 2. So the number 118 will come. Here is 340. So we cut one number from this 4. So the number 330 will come. Here is 285. So we just cut 10 number from this 85. So the answer 275 will come. Here is 817. We cut 10 number from this 17. So the answer 807 will come. Here is 100 more than and 100 less than. So first we add 100 numbers to this number. So the number 645 will come. 245. So 345 will come. Let's add 100 number to the 76. So the answer 176 will come. 479. So the answer 579 will come. 899. So the answer 990 will come. 364. So the answer 464 will come. Now let's cut the 100 numbers. 560. So 460 number will come. 700. So the answer 600 will come. 126. So the answer 26 will come. 999. So 899 will come. 270. So 170 answer will come. 640. So 540 number will come. Hope you understood this today's topic. So students, stay home, stay safe and do the homework. Bye bye.